But at least there's no precipitation to contend with.
No. In fact, today and tomorrow, I want to say at least through tomorrow afternoon is the best weather that you've got of the whole week, because come the end of the week or even middle of the week, Wednesday to Thursday, we've got rain, snow, wind, coastal concerns. It just turns into a big mess out there. Luckily, it does look like we clear out in time for the second half of the weekend. And Monday is that solar eclipse. So we're all eager to get clear skies in place. And right now, fingers crossed, that's exactly what it looks like. Boston's at 44 degrees. Worcester's at 44 degrees. Both spots looking partly to mostly cloudy. We have the potential of hitting some 60s away from the coastline. Coast itself, I've got some low and mid 50s, including Boston and the Cape. These temperatures are a little bit above average, so we'll take them today. Tomorrow, shaping up a little cooler, quite a bit cloudier, and eventually we get into rain chances. So let's talk about that next storm on your radar, because most of Tuesday looks dry. We do get rain chances coming up from the south and west during the late afternoon or evening. I'd say it's a kind of close call with the evening commute. Right now, I'm very hopeful that we keep it dry, but you're going to see overnight into Wednesday, rain arrives. Wednesday looks like a soaker out there. We've got the potential for some icy or snowy travel in some of the mountains in New Hampshire and Vermont. And then Wednesday night into Thursday morning, it gets a little worse locally. Although it looks like wet roads rule in and around the Boston area, north and west of the city, we do have the potential for some snow Thursday, not just in the morning, but during the day, because even though it lightens up a bit, we've still got it raining where it's raining and snowing where it's snowing. Obviously, the worst of the weather is really going to be in the Green and White Mountains, but locally, I think some of our higher elevations, like the Worcester Hills and Monadnocks, could get kind of tricky out there Wednesday night and Thursday, and that's why I have those as the worst travel times. As for what we're going to see where, I'm going to go with mostly plain old rain Boston up to Cape Ann and down in southeastern Massachusetts. There might be some very minor mixing, minor accumulation where you can see that pink stripe here from Worcester to Lowell to the seacoast, and then north and west of that, north and west of 495. We start going up in elevation, especially as you get up here, and that's where those snow chances will go higher and higher, and it's really going to be treacherous on the roads if you're going north of Manchester, New Hampshire. It looks like it is primarily snow up there, and we're talking the potential for over half a foot, maybe even a foot of snow in parts of those areas. 7-day forecast with the weekend always in view. We've also got